Hi, I'm Chris from Wood Tamer. We're at Wamberal. We make wood carving tools and I teach wood carving. The thing that really drew me to green woodworking is the mindfulness. You just get lost. I pick up a piece that I'm working on, it's like a meditation. I'm just focused completely on what's going on inside my hand. You just switch off your brain because you're there and in the moment. I'm hoping to show people what they can do. It's a very accessible craft, green woodworking, so you don't need to have heaps of skills. When people come here, I want them to be able to see that they can pick up a couple of these tools and experiment on their own. Hope people can come along and see us on Saturday morning. We're going to have demos. There'll be a chopstick making station, so you can come along and make your own chopsticks to take home. You can plan your weekend on lovecentralcoast.com/creative journey.